This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, June the 12th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You'll see a large complex of thunderstorms across the plains down into Oklahoma, with some other cloudiness over New England into the middle Atlantic states with a cold front that came through a few days ago. Here's the watch warning map from around midnight last night. You can see fairly quiet, at least east of the Mississippi. West of the Mississippi, some scattered flood issues with some severe thunderstorm warnings at the time over northern Oklahoma. Here's the severe weather outlook for today and tonight. A slight risk of severe weather extends from northern Arkansas through most of Missouri, the southwestern about half of Iowa, through northeastern Kansas, most of Nebraska, and the Dakotas, and eastern Montana and Wyoming. Main threats will be large hail and damaging winds. Here's the severe weather threat for Monday. A slight risk of severe weather includes quite a bit of the state of Iowa through eastern and northeastern Missouri, western and southern Illinois, southwest Indiana, western Kentucky, and northwest Tennessee, with another area in western Nebraska. Here's the probability outlook on Monday, and you can see the 30% area, or the red area, is where there's a more enhanced area for severe weather, including parts of Iowa, Missouri, and west central Illinois. Here's the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, and you can see about where that 30 percentile red area for the severe weather threat Monday is where the most rain looks to be, upwards of possibly 2 to 3 inches. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You see a trough over the western part of the country, a ridge setting up over Texas, with a vortex over the western part of the state. At the surface, you can see some showers and thunderstorms moving into the western part of the state, so chances will be increasing throughout the day today, most likely tonight for most of the state. Monday, there will be a decent chance of some showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon and evening hours where there will be a severe weather threat at the time. As we head into Tuesday, there will be lingering chances of showers and thunderstorms, with a push of warmer air coming in at that time. As we move ahead to Wednesday, there'll be a low pressure over western Kentucky. There's still going to be a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm as warm air begins to push in from the south and west. Thursday, the model continues to show some chances of some showers and storms, but it looks like it probably will be mostly dry across the state. Friday, the model still showing a chance of possibly an isolated shower or storm. Can't really disregard it at this point. We move ahead to next weekend. You can see there's a storm system west of the state, and still looks to be a chance of some showers and thunderstorms across the state, albeit a slight chance. A week from today, back in the upper levels, you can see a big upper level trough over the Pacific Northwest, with a ridge setting up over the south central part of the country, with a trough over New England. And at the surface, you can see we'll be on the northern end of that heat ridge, so we'll be in the ring of fire once again, with possibilities of showers and thunderstorms once again across the state. We move ahead to Voodoo Country. Here's the 22nd trough coming in from the north and west, with a zonal flow across the country. Down at the surface, you can see a cold front moving in with possibility of some showers and thunderstorms, albeit the low will be well into northern and northwestern Ontario. And we head to the end of the forecast period on June the 27th. A big 594 heat ridge over the center part of the country, with the main storm track moving well into Canada, and with that, most of the precipitation moves into Canada, with just heat and humidity and hazy conditions likely if this happens to pan out in future runs. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.